Hi friend, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trend Laura. Welcome and welcome back to this space. My real name is Angel, by the way. If you're new, welcome to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make a glowing, brightening, affordable black soap. So this is something you would want to try out. If you're using for yourself, you can try just a little bit to see how it is on your skin. But yeah, it's made with natural ingredients and it is really nice on the skin. It's not going to whiten you. No, it's just going to exfoliate your skin. It's going to help brighten it a bit, and it's going to help glow your skin. So if it's something you're interested in, smash the like button and let's get right into this video. I already have, I was just typing it out to come talk to you guys. The first ingredient you're going to need is turmeric. So turmeric is very good. It helps to remove acne, it helps with spots, it helps to even brighten out the skin. So for turmeric, you can get turmeric for as little as 200 naira. If you go to those Yoruba women that sell native things, yeah, you can get it for as low as 200 naira. Okay, next we have papaya powder. So for the papaya powder, you can make it yourself. I always make mine myself. You can make it yourself or you can buy. It's better to make it yourself, honestly. So even if it's those people hawking pawpaw, you can call or you go to the market and just buy papaya and just do sliced one, wash it, then dab it, grate it and sun. If you don't want to sun, you can use oven on it, grind it, and you've gotten your powder. Okay, so if you want to get it, I think it's about, you can get for as low as 500 naira. And you need lemon juice, so you can get the normal lemon, or you can also tell those Yoruba women to give you lemon. For me, I always prefer buying from the Yoruba women because that their lemon, I think there's a little bit of preservative in it and it helps preserve it compared to the one that the fresh one that you squeeze in as much as that one is best to use. The one which they sell, they can have that thing for 1 year and to still be good. So I feel there's some sort of preservative inside, so you can get that one. You can get for as low as 300 naira. So next is your carrot powder. For carrot powder, you can do it yourself or you can decide to buy. For me, I would say do it yourself. It is the most easiest thing to do. I'll be putting the recipe for you guys to see somewhere in the video. So you get your sulfur. So the reason why we're getting sulfur is because if you're having acne, sulfur is something that is very good. If you're having rashes on your skin, it's something that is very good, that's going to help clear it out. Next, you're going to need your shea butter. So shea butter, they shade it. Those people that hawk in the market, they shade it. You can get for like 100 naira. So you can see that the things we're calculating, they are very affordable things. You can try, you just use this one to try out. I know a lot of people that have used most of my videos to start businesses, and I get some reply saying, thank you, I'm using it to start. I have started a business and it's working. So the one that is going to be expensive inside this, which if you go to those Yoruba women, I don't know where the person always buy one from, but you can get more berry powder from her for as low as 500. It's going to be very little, but yes, all you need is little. So mulberry is a natural ingredient that's going to help lighten the skin, or will I say brighten the skin. So then you need 2 cubes of sugar as well. The sugar contains glycolic acid, which is going to help exfoliate your skin. So sugar, you can buy 100 naira sugar or 50 naira sugar and add. You see that it's not expensive, yeah? So that's it for the ingredients. So what you're going to need is your black soap. You can get your black soap. You can tell them to cut it to give you half. Half right now should be about maybe 400 or 600 naira. They should give you half. Then they should give you 2 white balls. When they give you 2 white balls, one thing you should ask for is tell them to give you native soap. Yeah, we call it Urobo soap. It helps to, if you're having rashes, if you're having acne, anything, it helps to smoothen out the skin. So tell them to give you native soap. It is like almost like sand or like rough stone or sandy stone. So you tell them to give you that one. They should give you very small. They shade it like 100 naira. So you can tell them to give you half, that is 50 naira or you can buy the 100 naira one to add. And then pimple ball soap, just buy 1 pack. So that's all you need. So you're going to put all of this in your pan or in your mortar. If you want to use heat method, fine, but because of that native soap, it's really kind of harsh. So you pound it very, very well. Add in all your powders. You can add 1 tablespoon of all your powders, you know, each. Then if you want to add glycerin, yes, of course it is advisable to add. Then you can also add the lemon juice. One thing I always like adding also is omiaro. So omiaro is the waste from black soap. When they are producing the black soap, the waste is omiaro, and it also helps with rashes. It helps to smoothen out the skin. So you can add it. Sometimes I don't really like adding it because it's not really hygienic. Like, let me put it that way, it's not really hygienic. And your face don't need things like that, so it might start giving you rashes. I've worked with some that, you know, give rashes and all. So what I do sometimes, just add a little bit of Dettol inside. Like, it can just be like 3 drops of Dettol inside the soap, and use my hand to start, so that if there's any germs, like, it's going to, you know, it's going to go away. And just mold it. Add in your lemon juice, you know. If it's too thick for you, you can add your rose water. I did not call rose water because rose water right now should be about 2,000 naira. But if it's something you want, you can do it. You can add it, okay? Yeah, or you can add your aloe vera gel, the one they sell in bottle. That one is 2,000 naira. You can add it. Aloe vera is very good for the skin. It also helps to calm and smoothen out the skin. It helps to heal the skin from sunburn, even red face. So it's even a better idea. So you can add it in like this. Match, you get your desired results. So leave it for 24 hours, bring it back, match for a while till you like it, and then you can start using it. Trust me, you're gonna glow. Your skin is going to be bright. Your skin is going to be looking healthy. Your skin is going to be looking mwah. You're going to love it. I'm giving you guys content, right? I'm like, is it content or sweet recipes like this that you guys should go and try out, and you will love it. Trust me on that one. Okay, so if you want to sell it, you have to like use it first before you sell. There's no preservative in this one because the things I mentioned, like the lemon, like I said, those people can sell it for over a year. They can have it for over a year, and they don't sell it, and it's still good. So, but if you're putting the fresh one, I would advise you to add preservative. And if you add the preservative, I would say, okay, best one I use is German Plus. Don't go and buy those ones that used to smell like sock away. German Plus, okay? That's what I use. So that's just a very simple recipe for you, and I will leave the recipe for you guys to see. Guys, like my video now. Why people not liking my video? Please like my video so that YouTube can push my video. Leave your comment. If you don't have anything to say hey sister girl, or hey trend, or thank you. You get. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, do not forget to subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.